My name is Kizo.
My name is Jiro.
Game.
Baby
So
bus.
this game is good for kids.
Now when you want to open the baby basket, you need to open the Google and you need to tell your parents to help you to download baby basket.
Yeah. So let's play this. No, last video they chose. This video let's play Panda.
Loading, please wait. Tap here to try other games. Download is complete. Let's start playing
This
the game.
place is bustling with excitement. Let's go check it out. Festival is a blast. We celebrate it by dancing dragon lanterns, guessing lantern riddles on the 15th day of the first month in the lunar calendar.
Let's go get
Let's eat some yuan shao.
Wow, it's so.
Set off some fireworks to add to the celebratory atmosphere. We need dancing dragon lanterns for the Lantern Festival. The lantern is finished. We can celebrate the Lantern Festival with this dancing dragon lantern. Wow! The dragon lantern is even longer now. Look at the big, beautiful lanterns. Guess the riddle to celebrate the Lantern Festival. What is the cat's favorite food? Take a guess. What did the sheep eat? Happy Lantern Festival, everyone!
I choose.
This place is bustling with excitement. Let's go check it out.
Rice cakes makes the atmosphere super festive.
Rice cake. Chinese New Year is here. Let's make some rice cakes. Let's make different types of rice cakes.
Time to cooking the rice cake.
Let's put some toppings on the rice cake. Chili oil,
Some more chili oil.
chili oil. The rice cakes are ready.
Not too much. This is you. This is you.
Oh, the third game we play together.
Put up couplets and hang lanterns to celebrate Chinese New Year. Set off some fireworks to add to the celebratory atmosphere. Fill up the fireworks too. Tap here and you'll see an amazing fireworks display. Wow, the fireworks are so beautiful. Wow, fireworks are so beautiful. Happy Chinese New Year, everyone.
Together, you see. Oh, look, Candy Crush. Oh,
This place is bustling with excitement. Let's go check it out. We celebrate the Dragon Boat Festival by wrapping Zongzi and taking part in the Dragon Boat race on the 5th day of the 5th month of the lunar calendar.
I'm a chef.
Okay.
What is that?
Choose the fillings you like. Peanuts. Mix them all together.
Peanut rice.
What shape of songsu do you like? Choose the songsu fillings.
Bacon.
Bacon.
Oh, I'll build a build for you. A build.
During the Dragon Boat Festival, we make dragon boats and then race them.
I'm hammer in the middle, okay? Hammer. This would be a big thing.
During the Dragon Boat
race is
Festival,
about to start.
we make dragon
Let's form
boats
our
and then
teams.
race
Quickly
them.
now.
We've sorted out the clothes. Now let's start the game. It's the Dragon Boat Festival. Let's all join in the race. Keep up the good work and try hard next time. This place is fun.
Thanks for watching our video, friend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.